Morning, one and all present here. I am Dr. Supriya Kulkarni, Associate Professor from KLE Homeopathic Medical College. And our today's topic is what is the definition of Materia Medica, what do you mean by homeopathic Materia Medica, and let us see how our homeopathic Materia Medica evolved, that is evolution of homeopathic Materia Medica. So first let us begin with what is Materia Medica. Materia Medica, it's a Latin word which means medical matter. It's a branch of medical science concerned with the study of drugs used in treatment of diseases. So Materia Medica is nothing but a branch of medical science which deals with study of drugs which are used to treat diseases. Materia Medica in Latin, it means medical term for the body of collected knowledge about the therapeutic properties of any substance used for healing what we could call a drug. So the father of Materia Medica is Dioscorides, as he has written in his book which entitled De Materia Medica Libri Quinique, containing medical materials in 5 volumes, 600 plant drugs plus animals and mineral products. So it is not Hahnemann who is known as father of Materia Medica, but it was Dioscorides, because already he had mentioned about the term Materia Medica in his book which contained the study of 600 plants plus animals and mineral products. Now let us come to our science, that is homeopathic Materia Medica. What do you mean by homeopathic Materia Medica? Now you understood the general terminology of Materia Medica, that is nothing but the study of drugs in order to cure and to treat the diseases. But now let us see what is homeopathic Materia Medica. Homeopathic Materia Medica is something different. That is, it is a record of effects of active medicinal substances derived from the proving of the drugs on healthy human beings and noting the toxic effects of the drug from different sources. This means that Materia Medica is a book. It is a collection of symptoms which is derived from the proving on healthy human beings. So in the beginning they say that the definition of homeopathic Materia Medica is totally different. Initially the drug is given on a healthy human being, it is given to prove, and as soon as it comes out with signs and symptoms, those symptoms are noted in the book in the chronology, and then it is called as Materia Medica. And even the toxic effects of the drugs are noted and different sources are noted. Even the clinical symptoms are observed during the application of drugs. The term Materia Medica in homeopathy comprises of sources, description, preparation and dynamic action of homeopathic drugs. Now as you all have studied in pharmacy, what is drug dynamization? How the dynamic property of the drug is aroused. Yes or no? And we consider that the disease is in a dynamic level. So even the drugs are considered to have dynamic action, and the dynamic property of the drug is aroused in order to prescribe to any sick individual. So homeopathic Materia Medica is a record of effect of drugs upon healthy human beings. That's why this is totally different, because the drug proving is done on healthy human being and it is recorded, and thus the book is also prepared. It also includes drug actions from poisoning and overdosing. That's why the term Materia Medica, that is medical matter in homeopathy, is totally